Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Thursday morning deal of the week. I got an awesome deal coming up, y'all. An awesome deal. Y'all need to. I'm putting it out a little earlier than I'm supposed to because I want y'all to get this awesome deal that's coming up. Stay tuned. I got a little something to do before the deal, but a little old school shout outs. But make sure you stay around till I come back after I do this. So anyway, y'all, y'all know me. I like to give shout outs and appreciation shout out people that send me stuff through the mail. And I got this nice card here from Miss Reba Mincy. I think it's Reedsville, Georgia. See this? She sent me this nice card. Success is doing what you love and loving what you do. Which I preach that every day, y'all. Like I say, get you a job you enjoy doing. You never worked a day in your life. I have never worked a day in my life because all I've been doing is cooking all my life, and I love it. So it's like I've never even worked. And she sent a nice letter in here. So yeah, she says she watched my video every day. So that's amazing. I really appreciate that, Miss Reba Miss out of Reedsville, Georgia. That's got to be a small town. Okay, I got a couple more items here through the mail. Y'all already know. I love Dallas Cowboys. I love cooking. That's two things. Anybody give me stuff anybody give me gifts, give me something to cook with, and give me something with the Cowboys, I'm fine. I don't care about nothing there. I don't need nothing else in my life. So, I know who sent this. They don't have a name on it, but Miss Karen, I know you sent this to me because you already told me you had something else coming in the mail. You sent me this is a Dallas Cowboys steering wheel cover. Now, I was telling Dylan, this stuff here I can't use in Houston. Because if I put in Houston, I'm telling you, the people in Houston, I don't know what it is, they will damage your vehicle. It's happened many times. It happened to my brother. If you see anything with Dallas Cowboy and Dallas thing, they do something to your vehicles. But this I definitely will. When I'm in Dallas, you know, I'm in Dallas 3 days a week, 3 or 4 days a week. So yeah, I'll definitely have this. I appreciate it, Karen. Another thing here, this is something I really need, especially my 300, because it's all leather. Y'all can see this. See that? It go on your windshield. I think it goes this way. Yeah, it's got that curve, so you put your rearview mirror on that. But yeah, see that nice shield, sun shield. Dallas Cowboy, really appreciate it. Now on the paper here, Karen, I don't know if you sent this, but on the thing it say Claudia Viriel from California. So I don't know if that's just the way it's sent out or what. But Karen, I know you were sending me some couple of things. So I don't know if you sent this or the person on the paper sent it. But anyway, I really appreciate anything y'all send out. And like I say, it's always very humbling. Every time I go to the mailbox, I go a couple of times a week, most time 1 time a week, and there's always something in there. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step off. I'm gonna be right back. I got a nice product that I'm gonna show y'all, but it's a deal you need to get up on because you'll never see a deal like I'm about to show you today. You need to step up on it because I don't want you next month saying, oh, I wish I had got this, I wish I had got it the price. Because you're never, ever going to get it the price I got them to get it to you today. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. I already took this out the box, y'all, so I wouldn't prolong the video. I'll show y'all the boxes, and then I'll come back and take it off. But this is the air fryer. I'm telling y'all seen me use my air fryer. I got one from Tailtronics. This one comes from Rhône. This is the limousine of air fryers, y'all. Let me show y'all, right? Well, it's like having another oven in the kitchen. And this one, I'm telling you, I already unboxed and tore the box up. Y'all know how I ship them out if I'm not going to use it. But this one's staying at my house because I know what this thing is all about. Let me open the thing. I already put the compartment in. It comes with a drain pan right here on the bottom. Got a rack. One thing I love about this, it has a basket in here. This is perfect for french fries, y'all. Most air fryers, you got to put the french fries on here, or you got to put the french fries on there. This thing will cook french fries perfectly. Matter of fact, next week, probably next Wednesday, I'm going to do a video with this air fryer. I'm going to do chicken thighs and legs, and I'm going to do sweet potato fries and regular fries in this basket. all at the same time. And I'm gonna show y'all how awesome this piece of equipment is. Let me plug it in here, and then I'm gonna show y'all the best part of it. It's gonna be the price. You plug it in here. Of course, it's all touchscreen. It comes with the manual, of course. Then it has a really thick cookbook. I've never seen an air fryer that come with this many items in the cookbook, and I might cook something out of the cookbook just to show y'all how simple it is. And then, of course, the user manual here. And then it also got the, which this is pretty cool, I think. This is magnetic. I think it's magnetic. It is. This is really cool. It tells you the temperature, the size, and the temperature, how long it takes to cook things in the air fryer. This is really cool. You can stick this on the refrigerator. You see how I can just pretty much just stick on the side of the air fryer. Just put it on the side of the air fryer. I really like this. I saw that you just throw it up on your refrigerator. It gives you the symmetry, the size, what the temperature would be, how long it should take to cook it. You got everything from vegetables to chicken to frozen to desserts. Desserts on here got banana bread, cakes, and stuff like that. I'm gonna definitely cook a cake in my air fryer one day. But anyway, next week, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna do roast chicken thighs and legs in here, and some and potatoes. But that's not the best part. Let me show you a touch screen while I'm messing around here. You got the preheat on here, which like I said, I'll show y'all this next week. Preheat, there we go. And a preheat up there. Say we're gonna do 350. 20 minutes or so. There we go. Very quiet. I'm telling y'all, this is like having a convection oven without the convection oven side. This thing, I'm telling you, it's a limousine of air fryers. And this definitely gonna be used a lot in a lot of videos. I got one that's, like I say, from Tailtronics that I use. But this one puts Tailtronics to shame. Now, let me cut this off here, because I want y'all to hear what I'm saying here. How you cut this thing off here. Let me just unplug it. Okay, now you know something like this is going to be very expensive. I'm going to tell you. You try to buy this normally, it's going to cost you $200. $200 this thing will cost you normally. You look it up. Air fryer with all these capabilities and stuff, $200. But I work with the company. And like I say, they want to give me a discount, but they can't give a discount for a long time. The day, I guess you get this video, it'll be on the, what's the day, the 7th or 8th? Around the 8th, you get this video. This discount, and I'm about to give you, expire on the 20th, which is next Wednesday. Now, Wednesday after next. It's like 2 weeks from yesterday. 2 weeks from this Wednesday, it starts. So you got about 12, 13 days to take advantage of the discount I'm about to tell you. If you don't, you're going to kick yourself later. You're going to be asking me, how did I get to this? It's nothing I can do. Right now, this is $200. When you go on now, put everything in the description of the video. When you click the link, they're going to already have a coupon in there for a certain amount off. Plus, I'm about to give you a code to put in there also when you check out. When you put the discount and the coupon, all you're paying is $100 for this. You're getting it 50% off. $100 for this thing. A little bit with taxes, maybe $108 with taxes. For $200 air fryer. I'm telling y'all, if you can afford it, if you can get it, and why I'm putting it out early, give you 2 weeks to get it together. Because after 2 weeks, there's nothing I can do to get you that price again. You're not going to find an air fryer like this for $100. I'm telling you, you're not going to find it anywhere. With this much size, this much capability, with all this touch screen and all this stuff, I'm telling you. So next week, I'm telling you, I'm going to do a video on it. It roasts chicken amazingly. I just got caught with time right now. I just need to get this video out early and get y'all to get the product out and get the code out. And then next week, I'm going to do an actual video on it and show you how healthy it is and how quick it is to have nice roasted chicken. Nice air fryer. I love sweet potato fries, y'all. I just love them. And they so much healthy for you. So anyway, y'all, old school soul food deal of the week. Get on it if you can. Paris, Rhône make good products. They have all kinds of different products. And I use them a lot in my kitchen. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest. And oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, Have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.